So in this video, I'm just going to show you how a public organization will assign you as a supplier or delivery partner to contracts and benefits. So when the public organization admin creates a contract, one of the fields that they'll fill in that contract is the supplier field, which would be the organization or organizations in a framework contract who are delivering that contract. That's just for information and is included in the download reports. When they mark a contract as published, then anyone who's assigned as an assessor, which is from their organization, a supplier or a delivery partner to a benefit within that contract, will get an email telling them that this contract has been published and is ready to receive evidence and sort of scores. If they're creating a benefit within a contract, there are two types of benefits they can actually create. So the most common kind is what we call a shared benefit, which comes in two parts. There's a sort of a parent part, which represents the sort of common values, the sort of menu or framework or KPIs or whatever language that they use to describe it, which are the kind of things that they want you to be delivering inside contracts. And so the shared benefit has a parent part, which is the common part of that, and it also has a sort of child part, the bit which makes it unique to a particular contract, where they fill in all the fields that make it unique to that contract. And that's probably the most common type that we'll see. But also, they can also create what's called a specific benefit, and that's where either you, as a supplier or delivery partner, or the public organization comes up with a cool idea for a benefit, a really useful, socially beneficial idea for a benefit, which is unique to that contract. So it's not something which is part of the normal menu or framework or KPIs, in which case it would just be created holistically in one form as a one-off. Either way, assessors are people from the public organization, probably project managers who work closely with you for the delivery of the thing. A supplier is the organization obviously delivering the benefit. Delivery partner is an organization, third sector organization, maybe a community council, parish council, social enterprise, school, organization which helps to deliver the benefit with the supplier directly, or maybe who just represents people who benefit from the benefit. So they can assign these different types of people or organizations to each benefit, and for each benefit there's also at least a start date and a final delivery date, but they can also add interim delivery dates as well. Perhaps if a benefit is going to be delivered over a long period of time, or maybe they just want to break it down into different chunks to get dates to get feedback every quarter. But those can all be added, and essentially for each delivery date that there has been set up, these three types of people, so including the supplier and delivery partner, will get an email alert, prompting you to submit evidence for that benefit, to basically say what's going on with it. And I'll show you that in a future video. But just to give you the understanding and behind what's going on behind the scenes when you're added to a benefit and when dates are created, that's what's happening. Final thing to note here, there's something called a benefit status, which the organization should keep up to date because it's on the same page that they use to check evidence and scores. And there are these statuses there: not started, in progress, delayed, completed, incomplete, and substituted. And if they select delayed, incomplete, or substituted, they also get an additional status explanation box that they can fill out. You need to provide a reason why that status has been selected, which is particularly notable for substituted, where perhaps for whatever reason you couldn't, or your delivery partner couldn't deliver a particular benefit that you'd agreed to do, and you're going to do something else instead. So this is just a way to record that's what's happened. So that's just a quick overview of how you get assigned to a contract or benefit and what that means and how that works. Thank you.